Hello everyone, welcome to Career Globalization with Winnie. Today, I would like to share with you my own experience in working in risk management industry, but for two different countries, Canada and US. I worked for Canadian banks in risk management departments for about 6 years, and earlier this year, I moved from Toronto to New York City, continuing my career in risk management industry, but from a Canadian bank to a US bank. So in this video, I would like to compare my job in US and Canada from 3 aspects: the job mandate, the team component, and the skill set focus. So let's get started. First of all is the job mandate. Risk management job is considered as a middle office or back office job. So the job mandate is largely determined by 2 aspects. One is the business. The other one is the regulator's requirement. So the bank conducts business and makes money by exposing itself to various types of risks, like market risk, credit risk. And then the risk management department exists to ensure that the bank knows what type of risk it is exposed to what level the risk exposure is, and also the more important thing is the bank can manage the risk properly. The risk is from business. So the more aggressive the business is, the more complex the products are, then the more challenging risk management job is. I found that US banks are typically more aggressive than Canadian banks, and the products are typically more exotic. So working for an American bank in risk management industry is more challenging than the Canadian side. Another big aspect is the regulator's requirement. The bank needs to operate under full compliance to regulators' requirement. Although in both US and Canada, there are multiple regulator agencies that monitor and examine banks' day-to-day activities, I found that the US regulators are more strict. Also, comparing to Canadian banks, US banks tend to have global existence, which means that the US banks not only need to comply with the US local regulators, but also global regulators. So for risk management employees, we not only need to understand the US regulators' requirement, but also the requirements from Asia regulators, from Europe regulators. So the job mandate combined with the regulators' requirement definitely make the US risk management industry more challenging. And sometimes this also means a longer working hour. But I found this is not a bad thing because it's a good opportunity for young professionals to learn and then to progress. The second aspect is the team component. I found that the US risk management teams are typically more diversified than Canadian teams, which I think is largely driven by the candidate pool. So when we had a job opening in risk management area in Canada, the candidate pool we got is 90% concentrated in program or background, which makes it really difficult to diversify the team. Nonetheless, both Canada and US, I found the people I work with are very smart and very friendly and helpful, and managers are very supportive. So I really enjoy working in risk management industry in both countries. And also, I didn't experience a huge culture shock just because I'm moving within North America from Canada to US. Last but not least, I want to share with you focus on skill set. In risk management industry, there are not significant differences in Canada and US. What people are looking for in a candidate is typically the analytical skill set, a decent understanding about the products, and the good communication skills. All right, this is what I want to share today. Welcome to leave your comments, your thoughts, your experience in relocation from one country to another. I look forward to see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.